Once upon a time, in a quiet village by the edge of a dark, misty forest, there was a brave little knight named Leo. Leo had been trained to be strong and fierce, and everyone knew that his dream was to defeat the fearsome dragon, Ember, who lived in the mountains beyond the forest. One crisp morning, Leo set out, shining in his armor, ready for battle. He climbed the mountain, reaching Ember's cave with his heart racing. But as he entered, he found Ember peacefully painting on a large rock. "Are you Ember?" Leo asked, more surprised than scared. Ember, a bright red dragon with a playful sparkle in her eyes, looked up with a smile. "Well, yes, and you must be a knight. I usually don't get visitors while I'm painting." Leo lowered his sword, unsure what to do. "I thought you were dangerous." "Lo, I used to be long ago," Ember replied, laughing softly. "But I got tired of fighting and found peace in art." She showed Leo her paintings, vibrant pictures of the mountains, the forest, and even the village where Leo lived. Intrigued, Leo sat down beside Ember. Soon, they were laughing and sharing stories, Leo about his knightly training, and Ember about her days as a fierce dragon. As days turned to weeks, Leo visited Ember often, and they became the best of friends. As days turned to weeks, Leo visited Ember often, and they became the best of friends. The villagers would sometimes see the knight and the dragon walking together, and they learned that maybe, just maybe, not every story had to end with a battle. Instead, Leo and Ember showed the world the power of an unexpected friendship, one that was stronger than any sword or shield. And from then on, whenever anyone spoke of the brave knight and the fierce dragon, they also remembered that they became two of the most loyal friends the land had ever known.